Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring both devices run the latest FGO build because mismatched versions block transfer. Once updated, open menu right arrow others right arrow transfer master and generate a transfer code. Write it down immediately. Make sure you also set the 4-digit password the system asks for and check any expiration notice. This is temporary, so move fast. If you use Game Center, Google Play, or Apple ID binding, confirm those accounts are linked before proceeding, so you won't be locked out. On the new device, install FGO and load to the title screen. Don't proceed through tutorials first. Choose Transfer Master, then type the transfer code and the 4-digit password you recorded. You'll see the account summary. Confirm the master name, server region, and servants to verify it's your account. Once confirmed, approve the overwrite prompt. The game downloads your data and syncs paid content and progress. If you used platform binding earlier, make sure the same Apple or Google account is active to keep purchases intact. After the transfer completes, enter the game and verify critical items: servant roster, St. Quartz balance, friend list, and event progress. Next, relink Game Center, Google Play, or Apple ID in settings to restore platform-specific purchases and future sync. If anything looks wrong, do not progress major irreversible content. Instead, close and retry using the original device's transfer code while it's still valid. If the code expired or errors persist, contact customer support with your player ID and screenshots for recovery assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.